Welcome to this complete Sorrento, Italy travel guide. Picture yourself in a charming town nestled on the Amalfi Coast, where the scent of lemon groves wafts through the air. This is Sorrento, a gem of southern Italy, boasting a blend of historic architecture, breathtaking views, and vibrant local culture. Today we're going to discover 12 must-do activities that will make your sojourn unforgettable, from timeless heritage sites to exhilarating hiking trails. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to explore Sorrento. Our first stop is the historic centre of Sorrento. Steeped in antiquity, this charming hub boasts an enchanting blend of medieval and modern architecture, each structure whispering tales of a bygone era. The air here is vibrant, infused with the aroma of Sorrento's famed lemons and the lively buzz of local cafes. As we meander down narrow cobblestone streets, you'll find yourself lost in an Italian time capsule, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The historic centre is a delightful maze of narrow streets that's sure to captivate you. Next, we step into the serene Cloister of San Francesco. Nestled in the bustling heart of Sorrento, this 14th century marvel is an enchanting blend of Gothic and Arabian architecture. It whispers tales of monastic life, while its lush gardens are a riot of vibrant blooms that dance in the gentle Mediterranean breeze. As you wander its tranquil pathways, the world outside slips away, replaced by a profound peace. The Cloister of San Francesco, a peaceful oasis in the heart of Sorrento. Moving on, we take a breather at the panoramic Via Comunale. Imagine a canvas painted with hues of the deep blue Bay of Naples, dotted with colourful boats and framed by the mighty silhouette of Mount Vesuvius in the distance. The air here carries a melody, the soft whispers of the sea mingling with the faint rustle of the lush greenery. It's a symphony for the senses, a feast for the eyes. The Via Comunale, a picture-perfect postcard from Sorrento. Now we head to the charming Marina Grande. Picture a vibrant tableau of multicoloured boats bobbing gently on the azure sea. The air is rich with the scent of salty sea breeze intermingled with the tempting aroma from the bustling seafood restaurants. Imagine the taste of the freshest catch of the day, prepared with love and age-old recipes. The chatter of locals, the laughter, the clinking of glasses. The quintessential Italian seaside experience, the Marina Grande, where the flavour of the sea comes alive. Up next, a relaxing dip at the baths of Queen Giovanna. Enveloped in the embrace of nature, this serene spot whispers tranquility. Imagine bathing in a natural pool, shielded by towering cliffs and kissed by the Mediterranean sun. The baths of Queen Giovanna offer this and much more. Surrounded by the captivating beauty of Sorrento, it is an idyllic retreat for those seeking peace and rejuvenation. The baths of Queen Giovanna, a slice of paradise in Sorrento. Next, we immerse ourselves in art at the Correale di Terranova Museum. This elegant 18th century villa is home to an extensive collection of European and Oriental porcelain, Murano glass, and Neapolitan paintings. Each room is a journey through different periods of Italian art history, and let's not forget the museum's gardens, a serene oasis with stunning views of the Bay of Naples. Strolling through, you'll feel like you're in a period drama, minus the corsets. The Correale di Terranova Museum, a treasure trove of art and culture. Now we indulge in a refreshing limoncello tasting tour. This vibrant yellow liqueur, a symbol of the Amalfi Coast, is made from the zest of local lemons, sugar, water and alcohol. Our journey takes us through fragrant lemon groves and charming distilleries, where we learn about the traditional process of producing this sweet, tangy delight. The unique taste of Sorrento's limoncello, with its distinct balance of tart and sweet, is a sensory experience not to be missed. The limoncello tasting tour, a tangy delight that will tingle your taste buds. Next, we visit the magnificent Cathedral of Sorrento. Rising like an elegant symphony in stone, the cathedral boasts a blend of styles, from the Romanesque bell tower to the Byzantine touches in its frescoes. Let's not forget the stunning marble pulpit, a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The cathedral's frescoes, shimmering with gold, tell tales of faith and devotion, their vibrant colours captivating the eye. As we wander through this sacred space, we're swept up in centuries of worship and wonder. The Cathedral of Sorrento, a testament to Sorrento's rich religious history. Now, we hit the charming shops on Via San Cesario. This bustling pedestrian street in the heart of Sorrento is a treasure trove of delights. Here, you can stumble upon everything from high-end fashion boutiques to artisanal workshops where local craftspeople ply their trade. Don't miss the chance to pick up unique souvenirs such as hand-painted ceramics, bottles of tangy limoncello, or a pair of made-to-measure sandals. Via San Cesario, where shopping becomes an adventure. Next, we lace up our boots for the Sorrento Peninsula hiking trails. Venture into this labyrinth of nature's wonders, where every twist and turn unveils a new marvel. Cast your gaze upon the sprawling vistas, where the azure sea meets the sky, creating a breathtaking canvas. Let the unique symphony of local fauna be your soundtrack, and the vibrant flora your guide. You wouldn't want to miss the rare sight of wild orchids in full bloom, the Sorrento Peninsula hiking trails, where nature's beauty unfolds with every step. Now, we immerse ourselves in a magical Sorrento musical evening. The air fills with the resonant melodies of traditional Neapolitan music, as the heart of Sorrento beats in rhythm. The vibrant atmosphere is charged with an infectious energy, as talented musicians serenade the evening with the strumming of mandolins and the lilting notes of Italian classics. The soul of Sorrento is laid bare in these musical moments, a testament to its rich cultural heritage. A Sorrento musical evening where music and culture blend in perfect harmony. Finally, we take a day trip to the nearby Pompeii or Capri. Pompeii, once a thriving and sophisticated Roman city, is now an extraordinary open-air museum. Here you can walk through ancient streets and explore preserved buildings, reliving a slice of life from over 2,000 years ago. The city's ruins, frozen in time by a catastrophic volcanic eruption, provide an unparalleled glimpse into the daily life of the Roman Empire. Now, let's hop over to Capri. This stunning island is famed for its rugged landscape, upscale hotels and shopping from designer fashions to handmade leather sandals. But Capri's real draw is its natural beauty. From the sparkling blue sea to the fragrant flowers decorating the island, Capri is a sensory delight. And let's not forget the Blue Grotto, a dark cavern where the sea glows electric blue, the result of sunlight passing through an underwater cave. Pompeii and Capri, two nearby gems that add to the allure of Sorrento. And that, dear travellers, was our tour of Sorrento, Italy. We've wandered through the historic centre, marvelled at the Cloister of San Francesco, found tranquility at the baths of Queen Giovanna, and savoured limoncello on a tasting tour. We've admired the cathedral, shopped till we dropped on Via San Cesario, and hiked the stunning peninsula trails. And let's not forget the enchanting musical evenings and the day trips to Pompeii and Capri. So pack your bags and set your compass to Sorrento, a town that promises a memorable Italian adventure.